Ever look up at a skyscraper and wonder, how'd they build that thing? It's a mix of hard work, ingenuity, and a whole lot of guts. Building a skyscraper isn't for the faint of heart. It's a dance with gravity and a test of engineering. Structures so tall they pierce the clouds, monuments to modern engineering. It all starts with a dream, a vision of something extraordinary. From idea to ribbon cutting, it's a story of collaboration and innovation. Every skyscraper begins as a glimmer in an architect's eye. Architects are the artists of the built environment, dreaming up these vertical cities. But it takes more than just a pretty picture to make it real. Enter the engineers, the masters of numbers and physics. Together, they transform those initial sketches into detailed blueprints, the building's DNA. They calculate every stress point, every load-bearing wall, every intricate detail. Today, technology plays a huge role. Sophisticated three-dimensional modeling software allows architects and engineers to visualize the building in its entirety before a single shovel hits the dirt. This digital blueprint becomes the roadmap for the entire construction process. Before a skyscraper can reach for the sky, it needs a strong foundation. This is where the dirty work begins. Geotechnical engineers analyze the soil and bedrock. They determine the ground's strength and foundation depth. Giant excavators dig deep, creating a massive hole. Reinforced concrete is poured in sections to create a solid base. This foundation ensures the skyscraper can withstand immense pressure and external forces. With the foundation securely in place, it's time to erect the skeleton of the skyscraper, the structural framework that gives it height and form. Tower cranes lift and place heavy steel beams with precision. Safety is paramount. Workers are equipped with harnesses, ensuring they don't take an unexpected plunge. Skin and bones, inside and out. As the framework rises, so does the building's exterior. Panels of glass, metal, or stone are attached to the building's skeleton. These panels provide insulation and weather resistance. Inside, a different kind of construction takes place. Electricians, plumbers, and HVAC technicians install vital systems. Imagine the coordination to keep all trades in sync. Safety first, last, and always. Safety is a constant concern on every skyscraper construction site. From the first shovel to the final cleaning crew, safety is paramount. Hard hats, steel-toed boots, and high-visibility vests are standard. Safety nets catch falling debris or, God forbid, a worker. Regular inspections identify and mitigate hazards. With proper protocols and vigilance, risks are minimized. Smart buildings, brilliant views. As the skyscraper nears completion, it's time for the final touches. This includes installing sophisticated building management systems that control everything from lighting and temperature to security and fire suppression. These smart buildings are becoming the norm, using technology to enhance efficiency, comfort, and security. Rooftop features, often the crowning glory of a skyscraper, are installed. These can range from simple helipads to elaborate gardens, observation decks, or even swimming pools. Finally, the building undergoes rigorous inspections to ensure it meets all building codes and safety standards. Only then, after years of planning, sweat, and hard work, is the skyscraper ready for its grand opening. A monument to human ingenuity. Standing at the base of a completed skyscraper, it's hard not to be awestruck by the scale and complexity. These vertical cities are a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. Hundreds of people from diverse backgrounds come together to make this dream a reality. It's a symphony of skilled trades, from iron workers to glaziers. Next time you're dwarfed by a skyscraper, appreciate the journey it took to get there. It's a story of innovation, dedication, and the human spirit, shaping the world one structure at a time. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on what you'd like to see in our upcoming videos. Your feedback helps us bring more fascinating stories to life.